Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this makeup organizer. So this thing is kind of a unique design for a makeup organizer, which is actually really cool because you can take this, it's got a nice little handle, you can carry it with you. A lot of makeup organizers are just stuck on a shelf. This has a nice handle that you can use, or it can just lay down behind you. And then the top lifts open, so you can then have all of your stuff sitting in here if you want to have it open for some taller bottles of things. Let's get this plastic off of here so you can see this pretty clear design. So it can just lift open and you can easily place your things inside of here. Or if you don't like the case, you can just take this off and then just have this open all of the time. That's just your own personal preference, however you want to have that. They've made that really easy to be able to do. And then you have two drawers that you can also put makeup in as well. So I'm going to bring you in here close and we're going to put some makeup things in here. Before we load this up, I just wanted to show you some of the features. So here is your inside of your lid here. It's a nice big open area with a curved lid. And then your drawers each come out. This one comes out here. And then that one goes out just a little bit less, but you can put all sorts of different things in here. So let's go ahead and load this up. So we've got our top part. It can hold some really tall bottles in here. So I'm just going to put some of my facial products in here. And then in our next drawer down, we can put, there's just so many things you can add in here because it's just got so much space. So you can put things in there and be able to find them. And then just whatever other makeup you really want to get off your counter and keep everything nice and organized. So instead of it being everywhere, it's now in this nice little case that you can easily pick up if you need to clean off your counters. You don't have to pick up all the mess. You just pick this little thing up and go. It does have this nice texture here on the front that just adds a little bit of beauty to it.